Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team of our channel. Today video I will take you how to make the voiceover generate from the text to the real humanity, real people that's talking about your text. So now let's preview about it. Here's the text that I just wrote it for the music can go and for test for you. And now let's
First go to
play.
murph.i and register with that. Put your email address, and then put the password that you remember it. Re-enter the password to make sure. Now, go to your email and click on Inbox. You will receive an email verification link. You will see the confirmation code or link sent to your email, so go ahead and click on the link to verify. After verified, click on the build audio on the right hand.
Okay, now let's get started. To first open your browser and click on this one here. This website that's called murph.is, and then you need to register with that. So click on create audios and then click on create account. So you need to put your email address and the password to confirm. So now we're gonna type in your email address and then put the password. Okay, put your password again. Okay, and then click on create a new account. After you have been already click on create a new account, this time you go to Yahoo or email address. So you're gonna click on that and go to see the verification that have been sent you just like this. So click on this place, click on this link. So click on that to your website, and then click on create your and then click on sign in here. So this time now we're gonna put the password and email again. Okay, and then click on sign in. After you have been signed in, and this time we have create a new project like this, or when we are at the first time like this, you will see the open the audio here. For the first coming, you can create a new project here, or you can create a workspace here. And now we're going to click on create a new project, and then you say upload letters, and then it will take you to the writing text like this. So go ahead and write the text that you want. For example, now we're going to say welcome to Khmerue team, just like that, and it will be space on this place. And now click on generate voice and wait for a music can to generate it. After it has been already generated, you will now can click the audio. And
welcome to Khmerue teams.
Okay, now you can see it. It is depending on your writings, and you can write as long as you want. It is about 1 minute long, or as you can see here, it is 4 minutes long for free. But it's not, and this time you can choose the character, and you can choose a free version. For example, this guy is a free version, and then click on generate again. And okay, now click to play it again.
Welcome to Khmerue teams.
Okay. And now you can write it as long as you want. So for example, now I'm gonna write it to this, and then click on generate it again, and wait for a few seconds. And this time it's long enough to talk about anything that you want. Okay, now let's get play. It is take about 15 seconds for the length.
Welcome to Khmerue team's officials channel. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel for the first new here. In this video tutorials I gonna show you how to use voiceover in Muff website. First go to muff.ai and register with that, put your email address, and then put the password that you remember it. Re-enter the password to make sure. Now, go to your email and click on Inbox. You will receive an email verification link. You will see the confirmation code or link sent to your email, so go ahead and click on the link to verify. After verified, click on the build audio on the right-hand side. It's your time to start writing the text want to talk about. Click on generate the voice. It's available for 10 minutes long for the free user, but don't worry about it, it is enough length to use. I hope you guys will say thanks to my channel and give me thumb up.
Okay, it is very good on this platform here, and you can also build the video also music or video with the text also. And if you really want to download that voice, you can see the icon here, download generate voice for this paragraph, or you can see the IDM is appearing like this, and now you can download as an MP3. So thank you for watching.